Hello everybody, my name is Edgar Bonites, and this is my presentation on technology balance. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is a rising phenomenon that has been growing and growing more and more as time passes by, and as such, it is seen as the very cornerstone of technology, meaning that it can be found in anything, such as smartphones, machines, or anything else really that uses electricity. The problem with this, however, is that as years and years go by, more and more people depend on technology and the use of artificial intelligence. And as such, it makes society more inclined to be lazy and unmotivated. And because if there is there really any reason to put in any work if a machine can do the job just as well? In order to combat this, some people have resorted to several solutions, including teaching the youth, or in general just educating everybody, because it is very important to make sure that uh, that children understand how to use appliances without resorting to just technology. And this can be done with several ways, such as making sure kids don't lose touch with how to handwrite, or just basic communication levels instead of just typing everything on a keyboard. A new solution that can be used to combat this is to keep everybody up to date. And that could mean to make sure that not just kids, but also elders understand how to use technology. Because there's a big generational gap between both sides, not just the kids, but the adults too. And this could also mean that the kids could learn something from the adults so that they can use more traditional methods of communication or interaction. And it's important to not let these old methods fade because knowledge is important. And without it, that could devastatingly lead to a decline in all human evolution. In order to do this, new generations could always just teach how to use all sorts of methods to the other ones. And so, as such, elders could also learn how to use technology, such as smartphones or computers. It's important that it is important that they don't lose their touch with technology because the world is ever changing, and nobody should be left behind. And it's important to always continue to evolve more and more through each day. This plan is very feasible because most of the world, about 60% of it, uses the internet. And that is just solely the internet, not even scratching the surface of how many people use technology, period. So this plan could be very feasible because if more and more people will use technology, then inevitably it should also be possible to teach more and more people how to use technology, even those who aren't as aren't in the loop as others. So, what's the plan of action? The plan of action is to mainly just help people learn how to use technology or any old methods of learning because we need to make sure that there's a good balance between the two instead of just heavily relying on one side or the other.